G'day everybody, you're back with your boy AP, and this is the follow-up to the preparation of the pork belly. We have done the marinade, that's right folks, this is the undercarriage of the pork belly. And here we go, we've got peppercorns, salt, garlic powder, a lovely maple chipotle, and paprika. There we go. That is what we're using as our seasonings. And here's the top of the pork belly. As you can see, the colour there, the darker colour is the drier part of the meat in the fridge for 12 hours overnight, uncovered of course. You can see all the moisture has been drawn out of the pork belly. So you just give it a rub down with a paper towel again to make sure you've got nothing on top. And then you're going to put a bit of salt on that once again. G'day! You're back with your boy AP and his pork belly. That's right, she's been cooking. Listen to this. Oh yeah. Now that cooked in the air fryer for 40 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. As you can see there. Look at this. Oh yes. Very nice looking. Side, seasoned up obviously. These are the sauces I use, a bit of a sweet chilli, good old apple sauce, and hoisin sauce. The staple sauces that you want with pork belly. Back to the pork belly, there we go folks. Finished product, done in the air fryer. You can't make this stuff up. See you next time.